Hey folks, this is Wade, the shoe dog from sneakerfactory.net. Today I want to tell you about our sneaker authentication course. Have you ever had a pair of shoes and you're looking at it and you're saying to yourself, this is too good to be true? How could this amazing pair of OG Nikes or Yeezys be here at this price? Hey, you might be looking at a pair of fakes. So we're going to cover how to suss out these suspect shoes. We're going to start with the book, How to Spot Fake Sneakers, and we're going to jump into a bunch of other content that's only available in the lecture. We're going to go through authentication basics. We're going to show you how to do a quality inspection for authentication, but also a quality inspection for product development and quality inspection for production. These are inspection techniques you can use in a store when you're buying a personal pair for yourself, or if you're buying an investment pair, right? I'm going to explain what AQL means. Yeah, it's a mystery, huh? And I'm going to walk you through an in-depth inspection procedure, walk you through our 50-point checklist, and I'm going to give you some low-down sneaker knowledge. First thing we're going to do is we're going to tell you a little bit about sneaker construction. If you don't know what cold cement is or what vulcanizing is, how can you really authenticate and inspect a shoe? We are going to take you into a shoe factory and show you where the various cutting, stitching, and gluing operations happen. Why is this important? So that if you see a flaw, you can track down where it's coming from, right? We're going to show you what right looks like. We're going to walk you through how to inspect a shoe. We're going to show you how to check for symmetry. We're going to show you step by step how to handle a pair of shoes and do a complete inspection. We're going to show you some really bad shoes. We're going to show you some bad things. We're also going to walk you through the total checklist. So you can check the packaging, you can check the upper for symmetry, you can check the shoe for defects, you can check the outsoles, you can check the shoe inside and out. Is this real or is it fake? Is it a real shoe that's made with bad quality? You're going to know all these things. I showed you the Ezzy shoe. I'm going to show you some Vans shoes. We're going to show you some Nike shoes. And hey, swing by sneakerfactory.net. We've got a bunch of other stuff to show you. We've got tons of books for shoemaking, pattern making, material selection, and how to start your own shoe company. Hey, if you're into making your own stuff, we've got lasts, outsoles, tools, and materials, all the stuff you need to make your own shoes. So come on by sneakerfactory.net. So come on by sneakerfactory.net.